This is the biggest waterfall in Bali. Look at this scale. It's just super. The height of the waterfall is from 17 to 18 meters. Can you imagine how big it is? Well, to get it, we have to go down the mountain for a long time on very steep steps, and I would not like to fall here. And also we have to overcome rivers, rock and sorts of incomprehensible living creature. By the way, on interesting facts, the spray from the waterfall spreads so far that you can get wet even 30 meters from the water. And I don't even want to say anything about the equipment. It's impossible to use it here. And we'll go right now. We'll swim in it. Let's go. We are starting to descend. Guys, subscribe to my Russia channel. Here we go through the games in life. And you and I are going to walk right here. Whoa, what is them? If we swim not, we'll go down to her and to wake her up to swim. But the way where was a rainbow here, right now. She disappeared for some reason. The sun has apparently disappeared. We're going down. Oh, there's another waterfall here. See, who? 1, 2. We chose 3, 3. Yes, we're judging by the appearance. It's quite a long time to go down here. What is like here? Stretching down and down. About who to get down from 20 floors on foot, maybe even something hard. We descend dejectedly here. And this is me going on. I'm banging, film it from behind. This is us still going down one level below. This is me talking off the grass, the end, and we're almost by the way. And this is me showing the drone footage, how I feel away and show it with huge scale. Whoa, oh, opa, yeah, oh yeah, let's go. Whoa, a beautiful safe harbor. This is us starting to change clothes in order to go the first waterfall. Whoa, guys, this water is just super. It's very cold. Whoa, super. It's super cold and super cool. Do you want to swim too? Well, let's go! Guys, well, how's the water? So, let's go. And here it is my first swim. I wanted to get up under the jet itself, where a current it's blowing away. I'm cheated a little, and I take my glasses with me. Hehe. Well, impossible. You see what kind of current where it is very difficult to swim to the waterfall, because where is very fast current. Well, is stranding. It's impossible to fight with. It's not real. And we take clothes and going to waterfall. Guys, I am a little tired. In short, it's impossible. What's no way? I tried but didn't make it. No matter how. It's already hurts by the way. In the face when it hits. It's really hard, but we are going to another waterfall right now. This is us going to the second waterfall. Oh, wow! This is how it look from this. Guys, we came on from here. Damn you again, don't see word. We came from here. I hope you heard me. And now I'm going to test, so to speak, the second waterfall. This is, by the way, come on back, the biggest on what you say at the beginning, and I managed to get under it. At this waterfall, let's go back! Fortunately, I was lucky enough to swim stranging to the place where the water feel I still got under it. A very uneasy feeling. A feeling as if a needle is being pushed at you at every time. What is? Every millimeter of your body entangled with a needle. I didn't fall down here. Yeah, we climbed this mountain. Now nothing can stop from leaking for such effort. So subscribe to the channel, like it, where will be a lot interesting quiz here, and stay with us. Come on! I'm already talking nonsense. Subscribe and what is? Thank you for watching the video up to this point. I ask you to subscribe to the channel because I'm trying expensively for you cheap you up when you are studying at home, so what you don't have to go anywhere. I will do it for you. Hehehe. Goodbye.